Hi everyone, it's Kelly J, founder of Jolie Visage Skincare, esthetician for 24 years. And if you're new to our channel, we share tips and tricks and home treatments that you can do at home to achieve results. And so if you're new to our channel and you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the notification to get notices for when we upload new content. Today is a brand new twist. I'm always changing things up, and today is a brand new twist on my daily regimen, and I'm using a Korean product today that is a bestseller for us at the spa, the skin clinic, and I'm just going to share a new regimen because I always believe and recommend that we have to change things up and really trick our skin in order to create results. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really loving this routine, and I'm adding it into my weekly regimen treatments. Thanks for watching.